Hey there, hi there, ho there, yours, welcome as can be.
M-I-C-K-E-Y-M-O-U-S-E, Mickey Mouse.
Donald Duck.
On this day, October 3rd, 1955, is the year that Disney opened, but it also was the time that Mickey Mouse Club premiered on this day in 1955. Can you believe that?
It's crazy, isn't it?
No. It's, you know, Disneyland is known as the happiest place on earth.
It's true, and it's my favorite place on earth, too. I love Disney.
Disney is great, and the nice thing about Disney, we got these beautiful hats. I know they make us look attractive. These hats were given to us because Toyota Canada works with Disney Institute because they are world renowned for being great at customer service, which they'd like to pass on to us at our Toyota dealership, and it has helped us a lot. In fact, I think you should probably graduate. Ta-da!
Thank you, Tim.
Can I graduate?
Congratulations on your graduation from the Disney Institute.
Thanks a lot. So please come join us at Charles Glen Toyota, where we celebrate every single day. Today's no different. It's the year 1955 where the Mickey Mouse Club premiered at Disneyland.